basically the problem is it was leaking from here, so the black pipe going into this trap was barely connected, so when the water was running it was just pouring out the back. So now I've reassembled it how it should be, nice and tight, but it's falling short from the waist. It's not long enough, so we'll have to kind of extend that pipe and get a replacement bottle trap with a extendable neck. Otherwise it would mean cutting this out, chopping the pipe to accommodate this, to accommodate that. All good and watertight.